In this video, we'll be making a single pie crust. See the description below if you need the ingredients for a double pie crust. If your family cannot eat dairy, you can substitute shortening for the butter. And it is best if your gluten-free flour mixture does not contain xanthan gum, since xanthan gum gives gluten-free baked goods chew. Pie crust should be flaky, not chewy. Add plenty of ice to a half glass of water and allow that water to get nice and cold. Pie plates come in all sizes, so depending on the size you have, you might have a slightly thicker or thinner crust. Cut your butter into small chunks. Some people like to use a cheese grater and grate their cold butter right into the flour mix. Combine the flour mix and salt. Add the butter and sprinkle in the lemon juice. Lemon juice, just as other acids, tenderize flour, making it softer. It's no different than adding buttermilk or yogurt to baked goods. Then measure out your cold water and begin adding it a little at a time. Use a pastry blender or a fork to cut in the butter. Cut in the butter until the butter is in pea-sized crumbs. Cut 2 pieces of plastic wrap and spray each with baking spray. Form your pie crust into a ball and place it on one piece of the plastic wrap. Take the other piece and place it sprayed side down on top of the dough. Then roll out your pastry until it is the correct size for your pie plate. You can see that your dough is marbled, the same as if you were making a wheat pie crust. Now, watch as I show you how to remove the plastic wrap. Build up the sides of your crust and add a decorative edge if you like. If your pie will have a bake filling such as pecan pie, pre-bake your pie crust at 375 degrees for about 10 minutes. This will keep your crust from becoming soft or mushy. The pie crust will finish baking with the pie filling. I pre-baked my pie crust and now I'm going to completely let it cool and freeze it to bake it on another day. The best way I've found to freeze pie crusts is to stack them one on top of the other with plastic wrap between each crust. Thanks for watching, and please see my playlist for other great gluten-free breakfasts, main dishes, and desserts.